operating expenses compare when implementing CCS and HELE technologies at coal power plants?
Good question. Well, when it comes to the cost comparison, CSS technology is definitely the more expensive option to start with. It requires a large investment to set up the infrastructure for capturing, transporting, and storing the CO2. On top of that, running the system is pricey too, since it uses quite a bit of energy. HELE, on the other hand, focuses on making coal plants more efficient. So the upgrades are usually cheaper to install. Plus, HELE system reduce fuel consumption, helping lower operational costs in the long run. However, with the CSS, there are added regular costs for carbon storage, which HELE doesn't involve.